friends, today's our topic is on problems of working women. So we can see that many women are going out and working. So they face certain problems. So let us see what are the problems faced by them. But before that, please do like, share and subscribe to your channel, Learning More with Prerna Tips. So friends, when we come to the problems of working women, the first problem is balancing both work and family life. So friends, it's become very difficult to manage both working and family life by an individual. But still we can see many women are doing this and really we should appreciate them. But when it comes to the reality, it's very difficult to manage. So this is one of the biggest problem of working women. The next point is friends, lack of safety of women. So we can see that though women are going and working out and giving their best so that they can improve the national income, but we can see that there is lack of safety for women. In electronic media, in our day-to-day life, we can hear that many women are assaulted or raped or many other evil things will be happening with women who are going out and working. The next point is friends, unequal pay. So we can see that though men and women are working for the same organization to bring that organization up, but many times the male will be paid higher income and the female's income will be very low. So we can see that there is an unequal pay because of their gender. Depending on the gender, the company is offering the income to the people. Because of gender, we can see that there is a discrimination in the pay scale. And next, discrimination at workplace. So though the women have the capacity to do certain work, but certain work or certain task will be assigned to the male so that he can do in the best way, but it's not compulsory that the male will be doing the task well or the female. So these types of discrimination we can see in the workplace. Next, crime against women. We can see that many crimes are going against women. It is same as lack of safety. Lack of safety is why, because of there are many crimes against women. So we can see that there are many crimes happening in or around in our society on women. So this is one of the problem. Next point is friends, lack of family support. Though we can see that women are going and working hard and bringing income to the family, but still we can see that the family is not satisfied and there is lack of support. If the family supports, she can go and work even outside the house and within the house also. Next point is insufficient maternity leave. In this we can see in the private sectors where the working load will be very more and individual will be given less maternity leave. So because of this also we can see that the working women are facing problems. And next, lack of time management. Though the working woman is trying to manage the time both in the house and in the working place, but it is unable to handle or unable to manage the time. Because of this we can see that the women are facing many problems. And next, domestic violence. Though they are working hard and they are bringing income to the families, they are suffering this, that is domestic violence, where an individual will be burned, killed. It is happening because if an individual is coming late, if a woman is coming late from the workplace, we can see that domestic violence is taking place and because of this she will be tortured. So friends, here I conclude my video on problems of working women. Please do like, share and subscribe to your channel Learning More with Prerna, and even like and share this video to your friends so that it will encourage me to make more and more such videos. Thank you so much.